abagusiba minto narorire bune ndugu yane umweshimiwa MCA Embande abeira attacked n'ekigun igabu asare gukora shughuli cyae nandi gakoba attacked aseng'encha go support Fred Okengo Matiang'i nandi narorire kigun kigotumika bobe kominyokia abantu bago support Matiang'i ekenegento kiagenderere Kisii County, and we are not going to accept it. I am particularly not going to accept it. Igontagete members of the public motokonye wa identify chigunieji abantu abago tumeka n'abantu kumisa abana babande kumisa abantu bande aseng'encho bago tenda na Matiang'i. Because the police are not doing anything about it, I want you people to help me identify these people so that we deal with them one by one or in a group. We will not allow anyone to turn our county into a war zone. We will not allow anyone in our county to turn Kisii into a war zone. Nabo governor ngwe atokanetie unobonyirango chabore county if we are not careful. Obonyirobo, we are going to clean it. And between now and election day, I want to tell you, we are giving our lives and we will not allow people to continue attacking others in Kisii. Kero montakore siasa ya maskani, kero montakore siasa ya na umorembe. Ntuli gochigwancha abantu barento boliri Kisii. And I'm telling you this very clearly. Muatemete Matiang'i ari gocha Kisii na bageni tukabasenyenta properly. And we are going to do that again. I want to promise you. Naba mura mogo tumeka, we are going to look for you one by one. Mpaka chinka chiaino, one by one. Aba iboli baino batote because na baba tomete. Because we will not allow this to continue happening in Kisii County. We will not allow this to happen anywhere. Obonyiro borasi mabohere na endo bo sensi obontoli gwanja bogendere Kisii. Na abatebiri na ende mbatebiga. Burai mboli kobetereriwa. Oburai gogo saban buororo no komosi. Nto gwanja ntoli gochigwanja boliri obogendere Kisii. Na ende na abatebiri obonyirobo, we have to clean it now and in future. We will not allow it to continue happening. And we are Mbande, pole sana for what is happening. And I'm told, eba kuligyo mweshimiwa Boss Mairura ntebya sole nkubange. Singenzo ntoli gochikwancha abantu abakoro boliryo in Kisii County. Na ende I'm told the police are compromised. Even the justice system is compromised on behalf of these people. We will not allow it. Mbiamano.